Hey everyone, it's Joanne. I got this amazing essential oil set. It has 20 pure and blended oils. I've always heard about how these have a lot of benefits and they have wonderful fragrances. So I like to make candles and I like to use diffusers. So I wanted a pack. I wanted to have one that had a variety. These are perfect. They come in little 5 milliliter containers. I get to explore all the scents, and this includes some recipes so you can customize your own blends as well. So the oils are nice. They're potent. They are good smell, but they're not overwhelming. They're like kind of well balanced. The scent lasts a long time too. And these essential oils will do great with water-based diffusers, or you can use them in oil burners. I like to use them in my candle making. The scent fills the room, but it doesn't overwhelm. Now, what it does when you take the lid off, it has this little stopper, so it keeps it from leaking and keeps the smell inside. And it gives you these little droppers, so you can use them on the different oils. So I have my diffuser here. It's already got the water in it, and it only takes a couple drops. So this is going to last quite a while. So you just need to put maybe 3 drops, 2, 3. You really don't need much, and it smells amazing already. So then I'll just turn it on. I love this. The scent fills the room, doesn't feel overwhelming, doesn't smell fake or thick. I also love the packaging, actually. This is a beautiful packaging, so it makes it really fantastic for gift giving. So I'm happy with the compact size because they're perfect for sampling, rotating out different scents, and they're great for me to take traveling. These essential oils are great for diffusers. They're great for crafting candles. You could actually make soaps or bath soaks or maybe even body butter. I love them.